In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Gmail storage full issue. If you're getting this storage full error, then what you want to do is launch open the Gmail app on your device. Now, if you find this storage error over here, then what you want to do first is delete the unnecessary emails. You especially want to delete the emails with large attachments. So once you have found it, you simply want to select it in this way. Once you have selected the emails, you want to tap on this trash icon at the top of your screen, tap on that, and now those emails will be deleted. Next, you want to delete the spams. For that, you want to tap on these three lines at the top left corner of your screen, then scroll down and tap on the option of spam. Now tap on empty spam now. Go ahead and tap on the empty option. Once that is done, you want to tap on these three lines again. Now scroll down and tap on the bin option. Here you want to tap on empty bin now. So go ahead and select that, then tap on empty. Once that is done, your Gmail storage full issue will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.